Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox iPhone 13 Pro Max and the color is Sierra Blue. It comes in a box like this, delivered by UPS. Here we have the phone, and as you can see, no plastic for sealing, but it comes with two seals over here, one over here, and I'm gonna cover EMI and all that stuff, and one over here. This one is 256. They come 128, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. Okay, let's open the box. So I opened the box, and here we have the phone. This is a new color. It's Apple logo here. 3 big cameras. The screen. The design is very similar to iPhone 12, pretty much the same, I would say. So let's compare it to iPhone 12 Pro Max. I feel like these cameras stick out a little bit more. So this one is Gold 12 Pro Max. This one is XS Max. On iPhone X. So here we can see 13 Pro Max, 12 Pro Max, XS Max, and X. And XS will look exactly the same. Also iPhone 6 here. Yeah, big difference if you compare it to iPhone 6. So this is brand new color. Let's take a look at the box. So inside we have a cable, not so perfectly packed, to be honest with you. Cable, USB-C to Lightning, and manual. So same as last year. You have Apple sticker, this SIM tool. That's it, nothing else. Same as last year, so you will need a charger like this, 18 or 20 watt. So you can plug this one in here, and this one goes into the phone. So that was the unboxing for iPhone 13 Pro Max Sierra Blue. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.